Okay, I'm uploading this video to try and figure out what fucking animal noise this was. I heard a couple hours ago, walked out back, lit up a cigarette, and suddenly I hear this weird noise that sounded pretty much like this noise right here, and couldn't figure out what the fuck that was. It's pretty close to exactly how it sounded, just sort of a raspy kind of growl sort of thing, just and it done it a couple times and haven't heard it since. But if anyone can tell me what that was, what that might be helpful. Thank you. I live out in the woods, sort of, by the way, a little ways out of town. Got a hunting club out back. We have coyotes and stuff come up, but it didn't sound like any coyote I've ever heard. Anyways, any help would be appreciated. Thank you.